Hey, what's up everybody? This is Chris with Digital Rim, and in this video we're going to show you how to set up a vertical video so you can edit for your social media. So with that being said, we're just going to hop right into it. Let's go. Alright, boom. So when you open up Davinci Resolve, it's going to look something similar to this right here. It's pretty much going to be a blank canvas at the end of the day, a pretty blank canvas, and you're going to have to pull in multiple elements to get started. So one of the things we're going to do right now is just pull in some footage. So essentially your footage, you can capture your footage from anything that you essentially can capture footage from. So if it be from your webcam, if it be from your DSLR camera, if it be from anywhere, just make sure you put it in a folder and be able to access it so you can pull it into this actual interface here. So we're just gonna pull one of the pieces of footage, that we shot over the weekend. We're gonna just pull something in from our footage library. So we're gonna pull in something like this, right? Boom. And it's simply just like that. Now you don't want to change, so don't change your actual frame rate. So you don't want to change the frame rate to match your project. So we're not gonna change it right now, right? We can do that later, but we're not gonna do it right now. So essentially, your video that you shot probably on your phone looks just like it would on social media. But you want to be able to edit this video in a program that's powerful like Davinci Resolve. That's the main thing we're trying to achieve here. How to edit this video in the same aspect ratio as we shot it on our phone. So essentially, we're going to show you how to set up your scene so you can edit a video just like this. So all the footage you all of the footage that you pull in, you'll be able to edit it and export it out just like this. So the first thing you want to do is go to your file and your project settings. And in your project settings, it's already set the vertical, but it's more than likely set like this, 1920 by 1080, right? And let's see if we pull in a 1920 by 1080. So this is essentially how it will look if you were posting the YouTube or something like that, where it's a horizontal, the traditional way, but you want it to be vertical. So what you want to do is go to File, Project Settings. You see it says 1920 by 1080. If it doesn't say that, you can hit this drop down and you can put it to whatever you want. I highly suggest you put 1920 by 1080 because at the end of the day, when you upload it to social media, upload it to Instagram, TikTok, wherever, it's going to compress it down to 1080. So it's no reason to have a 4K, a large file for this. So 1920 by 1080. But the key is there's a little check mark here that says use vertical resolution. You're going to check that, right? Once you check that, go ahead and save. And now you see it automatically turns it vertical, just like that, right? So now you can pull in multiple types of footage here. Well, first, you can pull in multiple types of footage. So we're going to pull in 3. So you can just see a quick edit. So you might get stuck here like, okay, so how do I edit this? Because you may pull it down here and it does this, it shows you like that. It shows like that, where you're not allowed to pull it in there. If you get that problem, right, it's because you haven't created a timeline. You need to create an editing timeline for your video. So how to do that? You go to File, New Timeline, and we're just going to call this Lesson. And we're going to create it. And this is your lesson timeline. So now that you have a timeline, you can grab the footage that you created and drop it into your timeline, like so. And then in order to play, you can hit the play button here or you hit the space bar. Just like that. So you can see that's essentially how you create your vertical video. Now we will go into the process of editing this video. So hopefully this was helpful to you. Hopefully this took you at least a step closer to creating those awesome vertical videos for your brand, for your channel, for the fun of it. So with that being said, I will see you all in the next lesson. Take care. Later, y'all. Peace.